Good afternoon. Time to wrap it up for October 20th, 2014. We came in this morning on the E-mini wanting to buy the, we thought 60, 65 was support or 70. And as it turns out, 70 was support right in here. We wanted to sell the 79 to 81 area. Excuse me, 84 to 86, and then 89 to 91. So the 84 area right in here produced a small trade, didn't really go anywhere. The 89 area up here produced another small trade, and we just had nothing but steadily higher right now. And as you can see, the market has made another new intraday high late in the session. So this market is trading up, and we pointed out this morning that this was the key to the action. And you can see right here that the 50-lot trader is still on the long side. So been pretty good buying today for reasons. There was no news, just probably carryover buying from last Thursday and Friday. Looking at the F1 screen, market a higher low, and the screen has to say buyer. Higher low, higher high. Looking at the F2 screen, pretty clearly a B. We've been over this several times in a P. And that we haven't found the yet. So stops above 1900. As a trade, there will be some people will be taking liquidating length at 99, 99 and a quarter, 99.57 at 1900, playing for stops above 1900. But you can see up here the low volume number is 650, and that would be about 50% retracement of the entire move from 2011. So this market is pointed higher, definitely a P. We really haven't found the end of the buying yet. So if the market were here, the first sell would be 99 to 01, and then the second sell would be 4 to 6. It would be 92 to 90, and then our 85 to 87. So strong market, no news to tie to it, just carryover buying from last week. Okay, the financials really haven't reacted so much to the buying in the E-mini. They've been real quiet, all things considered, but it is a lower high low. So this has us a seller. Looking at the we have an upmarket B pattern, and that's long liquidation. So we haven't had a really concentrated selling just yet. So assuming a close here at 25, we want to sell failure to get through 28, the buck, and then 3 to 7, pretty much where we had it this morning. On the buy side, because it's a B pattern, I think we have a shot at our 17s to 21s again. And then 9 to 13. Tomorrow's news is existing home sales are looking for up 5.1 million. Pretty quiet day, everything considered. Just markets just basically grinding. Very little in the way of volatility outside of crude. The 30-year close right here at 02. We've got this 8 to 12 area. Then our 15 to 19 for sell 2. On the buy side, 29s. Oh, I think because of the B pattern, maybe a little lower, 21 to 25, especially if the E-mini continues to rally, then 13 to 17 for buy 2. Gold held in there pretty well today. We were hoping to buy the 40-42 area. Didn't get close to that at all. We did catch the sell just right, 48 to 50, and I think we're still in that same situation. So 48 to 50 will be sell 1. Got this little bulge up here at 55, so 54, 56 for sell 2 will kind of come off that high volume number. It's a B. I'm going to leave it 40, 42. May have to pay up, and we're back down to our 35, 37 for buy 2. The ideal sell sets up in London. They try to take it higher, and it fails at 48 to 50. Strong buying in the euro today. The market is traded higher. It is pointed up. What we know about how QE programs affect a nation's currency, it's a little hard to believe that we are this high and actually trading higher. So we've got a double distribution. Certainly the second one's a P, so does resistance hold or not? So right here we'll make 20 to 30, sell 1. Back to our 40 to 50 for sell 2. And on the buy side, 75 to 85 right in the middle of today's action. Then our 50 to 60. It appears that the purchases by the European Central Bank aren't that inflationary on the currencies. Don't know, though. I mean, so we're just in a tight trading range here. And sellers at 28.50, buyers below 27.51 point range. White crude got nailed and then does what crude normally does, came back a great deal. Kind of a fun contract to trade, isn't it? So when we look up, definitely a seller above 83 and perhaps a buyer below 81. That's about a $2 range. So 82.25 is resistance, and then 75 to the buck for sell 2. On the buy side, rotate down was 50, so 25 to 50 will be buy 1, and 75 to the buck for buy 2. Basically see a trading range right here. I think the news out over the weekend didn't clear up who had talked to whom to get people to stop lifting crude, but nobody's going to stop lifting crude. They're fighting for market share right now, and they'll keep pumping until their buyers say, "No more, Uncle. I've got no more storage." And I've been through this several times in my oil trading history, and it doesn't end well. But after a couple of years, when the production is shut in, things get back to normal. So that's it for October the 20th, 2015. We'll see you bright and early in the morning, 6:45 Central. It's another wonderful fall day here, 75 degrees outside. So life's pretty good on the South Central Plains. Y'all have a great evening. See you in the morning.